In this video, I'm going to show you that Netflix has updated and you can now get this particular feature that I'm going to show you right now. As you can see down in the bottom right hand corner, we now have the option to play something. We can swipe and play something new and swipe again. So there's a nice little animation to swipe between the different TV shows or movies that are being recommended for you. So it's a fun feature that you probably have seen on your smart TVs or even the desktop app, but now it has came to the app for your mobile phone. All you have to do is make sure you are on the latest version of Netflix. So if you haven't received this update yet, it is coming to you, so stay tuned in the next couple of weeks. Wait for your Netflix app to update and you will have that awesome feature that I just showed you on your phone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do want to see more videos like this, then why not subscribe to my channel. You guys have been watching and listening to Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech. Peace.